Kevin Boy sitting. Was he na 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 na? My head, I know fit. Reset, I know fit to connect within the your back. Oh, I won't comport myself. I can't. I fall for you, damn flat. I fall for you, damn flat. Oh, Abranton, why are there? Maybe I will be a Yakupon and share up to na my brother dear. Jai, and yet, but why are there? Oh, you know, where's the room? William feelings near dope. Tina make us higher experience GHTV. Say and a day, the first time. Now when you subscribe to this very YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Notification bell on turn it on. And no any bebu wa me update be also say dey aka. So be chere wa in the form of so be ten so ya dey ekenuti and na ya na my prepare comment section so dey to one side so e dey am omini make sure so be buy thumb up in the form of so be like it to a video be ya. Na aboa ama be bia so atimi akoso e kama so e wo e ho. Many a Ghana, dear Sadia China, Sepanifobia, Anti Asenfufobia, na akwaye say ye chiri. Na Chasiniama Mensa Junior no di video be better abontin. I mean, the video no the better abontin in the F papa, which will say yes, Abrantian or Chile, or a jet, Plavet jet, Muna Brantian day. Actually, now watch it, yes, or Chilicom, or Chiliaki can some. Now, no, and our reactions from a pair from the Nigerians and others being so, or my Baba reacted to South Seminole Express. Yes, so yes, I can. Yeah, do ever some more, but say because I'm 7 in Asodia, now any can interest our video.
Yeah, okay. I'm on Facebook, bro. You ever sit jet inside the chopper gata before? If you did there, you won't compare your life to my life. Me, we are the chopper gata. Agata, show me. Agata, show When I do Facebook live, I don't like it because it laugh. When I'm serious, it's laughing. Oh, I got it. That person, Ghana music industry, no fi fly am jets. I got it. No, me, I go live the dream with Agatha. If you go there, they want food with me. I say me the pilot number, we remove. I go tell you. I nigga there. They send some money go Ghana. If they jet inside and send money go Ghana. I get cold, but like the things I won't tell you, boy. Reason for yourself. My woman look at me like, yeah. Baby, this is me. I put that camera on you. Look at my wife. Oh my God. Yeah, I love you, okay? My fans are looking at you. Don't look my wife too much.
Don't look at my wife too much, but no crap say. And ya once na with the camera no eto wife no suit na ma ye twa no crop say ade e fe de na e fe an wife no de no ho fe papa na ye tie sem am enkrofo bi so aka kire wo so one side e wo hey ebinom fri Nigeria ebinom fri Ghana no nyina aka bo mu bi say Brim more fresh she say no be the same private jet Davido turned to Uber for this London trip alay try the rest and also we can also chile Shatta Wale so home now Eshiza means say then I will say it again, may I never have the riches that will make me not help my mom and my dad. And also yes someone also a through the abochas near my mensa junior said that be so no be sika nipa na want to me share ni and then say the yankopon man in pangu Depr bank say Shatta go pay your mama house rent to no na ehia sa no person chere na it tells you masa yanya botere ma chasini ma mensa junior at the end no something good will come out from these issues minim say oba be settle asset in the kama pa try the nigga because Oh yeah, dear, I was surprises. Many are depressed. Yeah, papa, why your friend is saying, yeah, Abena KorKor. Sage we see me see penna somehow stage is and how I plan all year presentations. What TV3 no managing over papa. No, one of my favorites. But this is depression, now bipolar, and then you know to the extent self himself is no man so damn quick. Baba can't say me the alpha boje, meaning crophobian, no yet, yes, answer number. We are near what's why disappointed. I watch as near Mesa Junior Honsono and I say the Bebremo.
Would say all sort of things about me to him. I would say I was not a perfect girlfriend, but I know I tried. I know I tried. Boji, you say you love me so much. If you love me, it's the best thing to do is to sleep with me when I've come to you for advice, when I feel broken because my boyfriend has left me. Boji beat. You said you were my cousin. You said you cared about me. But the only way you cared about me was to sleep with me. I don't even know what was wrong with you. But I feel broken people are the ones that break people. And I've just been carrying all this shame, all this trauma inside me. And it has made all my relationships unhealthy. I said to myself, even people that were my family could do this to me. I'm not even scared of what anybody outside will do to me. You people feel I just target people that I'm a beautiful girl, I'm intelligent, I'm irresistible. So yes, they can resist me. You feel they're mighty, I'm also mighty and intelligent, and they see the future within me. They see the greatness in me, that's why they're also attracted to me. Depr, you're a leader. I've encountered you sexually before. I'm not saying this to disgrace you. But if you don't save me and you don't save other girls, you have failed as a king. KOD, you have daughters. You don't even have a son. If you stay angry at me, and you don't forgive yourself and you don't forgive me, your daughters will also suffer for it. Because there are wicked men out there. It is not a fight against you, men. It's just for a fight to make the...
Always they have wicked men out there. Upon all the 100 men, how man who crime on man will die, you know. When ya bema now was said that one of the one you wicked. Now it tells you say one person now say which one was you. By now, if her family members are very serious, I can was said by now. Social media no see who quite so bad because nipa the more you talk no, the more now problem being so can see. But I don't know how the family members and so I fast are they by give away me penal sems there be a bomb price and yakopon and no one. You know me no yakopon emaning that be as seven. Now Baba will be about wanting opening was saying she is disappointed in Shatta Wale. Now I didn't see. And Baba one also say she's disappointed in Shatta Wale when they first say juicy vibes. You talk of us to make that statement in you. Yeah, the serial reaction, so they are tattoo, also they are more.
Shatta Wale, a whole SM president. When you Beyonce abon you say her birthday go for buy. And I respect you more. As me do we are pa. As my meeting, me sure so bet me I say I'm padia 1 yard. Boss 1 yard. Boss Shatta me say 1 yard. Me go for pa 1 yard. So very naked. Very naked. Very so this one someone can what? Debbie, I don't think this is true. You gotta come out and talk to the whole of Ghana. Yes, SM for life. For life is for life. And I make a chill on juicy vibes.
For life and for life is for life, and this is juicy vibes. Yeah, the juicy. Had a sick for the year stuff for ya. I was so much as what are they oh, and who got on naked. Okay, fine. And move fast and brand near the other. Yati, it's juicy see Shatta Wale bra out. Now, but I bet you same one who no man a quite fast yet. Echo, Express GATV. Say over subscribe, like, share, comment, so ya day here. Mamma was a part of crusade shop, but pass a bit share beam. Macrow.